You're good.
Welcome, everybody. My name is Gucci, and I'm one of the career coaches at NWTC. Alongside with me, I have my colleague, Andrew, who's around to assist and make sure that this all runs smoothly. So thank you, Andrew. For today, I will be highlighting the different programs in construction and manufacturing. I'll also be sharing all the different offerings through showing you how to navigate through our college website. And then I'll talk about how you can connect with us if you have any questions. During this live stream, if at any time you have a question, please feel free to share it with us in the chat or comment section, and then we'll be able to help you. So to get started, nwtc.edu is the website. You can hover your mouse over to the academics tab and then click on the fields of interest tab. So we have over 200 different programs that you can start exploring. But to kind of help you with that, we organize those programs in these career clusters. And so as I mentioned, I will be talking about the construction and manufacturing. So I'm going to click on the construction career cluster. And once you click on a career cluster, it'll take you to a page similar to this. You might get a little introductory video from a staff or an instructor. You can read about some facts about the programs and career opportunities, as well as hear from our students. I want to pull your attention to where it says choose a program in our little keys, and I'm going to talk about what those mean. If you see all these programs listed here, next to those programs are little keys. And the first one is that graduation cap. And what that is it stands for our associate's degrees. So for a student who is interested in getting their associate's degree, for a full-time student, it'll take about 1 to 2 years to complete. You'll definitely get some of those hands-on core classes, as well as your general education classes, so like your English, your maths, and so forth. The rolled up diploma is our technical diploma degree, and this takes about 1 to 2 years, depending what program you go into, less of the gen eds and more of the hands-on entry-level core classes. We also offer these certificates. These take about 1 to 2 semesters. It's great for someone who's coming from a job and want to get additional training, or someone who wants to start at the very beginning and try out a couple classes. And with the construction area, we also have the apprenticeship. So that's a little tool, the little toolkit here. With the apprenticeship, if you are a high school student and you graduated from high school and you're not really wanting to start a college, like an associate's degree or technical diploma, and you're interested in getting being employed, but also obtaining your education, this is a great opportunity for you. This is also great for anyone who's already employed. As you can see, if I scroll down here, you'll see all the different opportunities that we have in apprenticeship. But basically what you'll do is you'll be employed, and then with that, you'll be earning a wage as well as taking some classes. So you'll learn and earn at the same time. Again, you have to have an employer, and if you're not too sure on how to get started, I'm going to click on one of these to show you as an example. I'll do the electrician apprenticeship. This will take you to a step-by-step on how to get started. It'll tell you all the qualifications you need, like your education, your age, and it'll also let you know who you can contact, and that person will know who to direct your questions to. So that's a great opportunity. But for the traditional technical diploma, I'll talk about the electricity technical diploma. So if you were to click on any of the programs, again, you'll get the title of the program. And again, this is the technical diploma. So this program is about 1 year. With the electricity technical diploma, you'll learn how to install, maintain basic electrical equipment and use different tools and equipments. And you'll see that here in the description. On the right-hand side, you'll get to see that this technical diploma is actually a pathway to an associate's degree. So most, if not all, of the credits will count towards this program. You can always come back after you finish your technical diploma to come get your associate's degree in management. We also share with you our salary. A lot of our students are leaving our program, getting a good pay, and with additional training on the job, you'll see an increase in your wage, and our graduate employment rate. Also, our students are getting jobs that we're hearing even within a year. So while they're in their program, they are getting job opportunities. You can click explore locations on this webpage, and this will tell you where in Wisconsin we offer excuse me, classes and the program. So it is offered at NWTC on our Green Bay campus. If you click on program costs and financial aid, you'll see the total approximate cost. So this is an estimated cost for the entire program. So again, this is 1 year. It's about $7,000. But we typically, you'll typically see your costs in semesters. So to figure that out, it depends on how many credits you're taking. One credit is about $152. And if you're taking 12 to 15 credits, which is a full-time student, you can do the math there. And then this little green check bar lets you know that this program is financial aid eligible. So what that means is you can apply for FAFSA and see if you qualify for any grants or loans to help you pay for your education. NWTC also has scholarship opportunities, so definitely ask about those and take advantage of that. And then we're going to take a look at the drop-down menus here. For the first one, what careers are in your future with the electricity program? You could definitely get jobs with contractors, get into maintenance, and so forth. And as I said earlier, a lot of our students are getting job offers within that 1 year. To get started, so if you are a high school graduate or an adult, you can start applying today if you haven't already. We are still accepting for fall of 2020. We would ask that you complete an application online available on our website, and I can show you how to get to that in a little bit. It is for free currently, so take advantage of that. We will ask for your high school transcripts, and we're going to be looking at a GPA of a 2.6. If you don't have that GPA, if you don't meet that requirement, we will look at other options such as your ACT scores, or we'll ask you to take the college AccuPlacer test. And that is a flexible test. It's untimed. And it'll give us scores, and then we can take a look at those scores to see where we can place you in classes. For the what will I learn, I always recommend students to take a look at this list because what you can do is click on a specific course. So I'm going to click on residential electrical code, and you can read about it and find out if it actually matches what you're looking for. Does it match your interests, your values? Is it what you're interested in? So this one, it seems like you'll learn about different circuits and calculations and so forth. So you could do that to any of these classes. So again, as I mentioned, you see is broken up into 2 semesters. And that is 1 year, and the total credits of 31. This is also great if you are a junior or a senior in high school, and you kind of just want to take a look to see if, you want to talk to your high school counselors to see if you can get started on any college credit classes if there's a possibility. All right, so this is, again, the electricity technical diploma. I'm going to go back here. We also have various technical diploma in the construction, such as carpentry. If you're interested in learning how to roof, build stairs, work with different materials like wood and metal, and all of that. And that also goes into an associate's degree. We also have HVAC, which is heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, where you can learn how to install and repair those equipments. And with all of these, you can be working in residential, commercial, or industrial settings. So that's the construction. I'm going to go back to academics, fields of interest, and jump down to manufacturing. So on this page, again, it's going to be a similar setup. You'll see a little video there that you can check out, read some of the facts, and read about our students. And again, you'll see a list of different programs for manufacturing. We kind of have it in 3 different areas. So engineering, if you have any interest in design, problem solving, using your fingers to build things, or even being behind a computer, looking at layouts and blueprints, that's a good area for you to check out. If you're more interested in process development, such as supply chain or automation, this is areas in if you're looking at line production and the logistics of how that work. And then I'm probably going to focus more on the production. We have CNC, we have welding and metal fabrication. I will focus on the welding technical diploma. So this is a one-year program. Here you'll see a little bit about the program from our instructor. And again, you'll get a little description. So in the welding program, you'll learn to build and repair using metal and sheet pieces. You'll learn to read different codes and weld to those as well. For careers in your future, you can definitely get into maintenance welding, be a welder in contracting. I do know of a student who had an interest in underwater welding or marine welding. We have instructors with various experiences and connections all over the States. So if you have a specific interest, definitely you can start your career and education at NWTC and connect with an instructor to learn more about how to further your career. So that's careers. I'll show you how to get started. Again, very similar. Complete the online application, submit your high school transcript. If you don't meet the GPA, we'll have you either provide your ACT scores or take the college AccuPlacer placement testing. Again, we are accepting these programs in fall of 2020 as well. So you can definitely start applying today. And then what will I learn? Again, you'll have all these different classes. You'll learn how to weld in different stages. So metal arc, gas metal, and so forth. Okay. And again, on the right-hand side, you'll see the starting salary. A lot of our students, after 1 year, they're getting employed and they're getting that 40K salary, as well as our graduate employment rate is at almost 90%. All right. Okay, so if you would like to explore any other programs, you can do so after this session. I also like to share with you other ways for you to get started virtually. You can go to nwtc.edu/virtual-start. You can start applying, you can connect with us on every single web page on our website. You can click chat with us on the bottom right-hand corner, fill out your information, and then you can connect with us and we will be able to help answer your questions right away. You'll learn how to pay for college and also take a virtual tour with us and learn about any upcoming events that we have virtually for you. So, Andrew, do we have anyone logged in or any questions?
There are no questions at this point. So certainly if anybody has any, they can leave them in the comments on the video or go ahead and reach out to us in any of the ways that you can do that. I think you mentioned a few of them for sure. The website's a fantastic resource. There is the chat with us button, and that's in the bottom right hand corner. There's also careercoach@nwtc.edu that you can email. There's a phone number that's at the bottom of every web page that you can give us a call. So we're here waiting to help out students, and certainly if you have any questions, please let us know.
Awesome.
But thank you, Gucci, for presenting that today and sharing all that valuable information.
All right.
And certainly thank you everybody who is watching this, and hope you have a wonderful day.